Welcome to another video of Excel Academy. This is a company law update for exam. This is applicable both for December 2018 exam and for June 2019 exam. If you write this, you're definitely going to get extra marks. This is relating to MSME ROC return. So what is MSME? We have the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. So what is this act? This act is nothing but an act for promotion, development and also to help the competitiveness of micro, small and medium enterprises. So what is the amendment and how is it important for company law? You may be thinking this is MSMED Act. So why are we studying this in company law update? Yes, that is why we have to understand that company law is not just one act. We have to read along with the other acts. So what is the applicability? So the central government has said that all the companies who get supplies of goods or services from micro and small enterprises have to apply with this amendment. So what is this? We will try to understand, but first we should know applicability. So for whom is this applicable? For all the companies. So all the companies who are getting supply from micro and small enterprise, and this is very, very important for you to know what is the applicability. So this has come from November 2nd, 2018, that is the notification date, and here is the notification, and this is in the official Gazette of India. Because all the students ask, where is the proof? Please stop asking such questions. We are giving you all the videos with 100% proof. So this is the notification which is there. So what is this amendment? So let us try to understand. So this amendment is applicable to companies whose payments to micro and small enterprise suppliers exceeds 45 days from date of acceptance of the goods or services. That means, suppose there is one company, Reliance. So Reliance is taking the supply of certain raw materials from, let us say, a very, very small company. So a very small company which comes under the concept of micro enterprise or small enterprise. So if Reliance is taking supply from small enterprise or micro enterprise, let us say they're taking the supply, the worth which is like 10 lakhs is the bill. So Reliance has to give 10 lakhs to the small or the micro enterprise. So if they're not giving for 45 days from the date of acceptance of the goods or service, anything, it can be goods or it can be service also, then they have to submit. Who is that? Reliance. So in our example, Reliance should submit a half-yearly return to MCA stating the following. So to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Reliance has to submit the return, and there in that return they have to give the amount which is due and the reasons for delay. So let us say 10 lakhs. So they have given, let us say 7 lakhs they have given. 3 lakhs is due. So 3 lakhs is due. So they have to tell 3 lakhs is due. And what is the reason? They can tell that the service is not completely given or the quality is not good. Whatever is the reason. Or if they're having a delay in the payments, that is also they have to mention. So this is mandatory, and this is thanks to the new Gazette notification which has come under the MSMED Act, and this is relating to all the companies. So here you can see it is all the companies have to follow this. So this is basically to encourage and to support small and micro enterprises so that they don't have to suffer because of the delayed payments. See, if the payment is delayed for the micro enterprise, then it is very difficult for them to pay their salaries, their rent. They have their own expenses. So that is why now companies like big companies, I just gave you Reliance as an example. It can be any company because this is applicable to all the companies, as you can see. So they have to make sure that they are giving the payments, and if they're delaying, they have to give the reason for the delay. So the amount which is due, that is how much payment is due, and the reasons for the delay, that is why is there a delay, they have to tell. So what is a micro enterprise? So first we should know that according to the MSMED Act 2006, micro enterprise means any manufacturing enterprise which is having investment below 25 lakh rupees, and if it is a service unit, if their investment is 10 lakh. So that is important for us to know who are the micro enterprises. Same way small enterprises, investment is 25 lakhs to 5 crores for a manufacturing concern, and for service units if it is 10 lakhs to 2 crores which is their investment. So then we call them as micro and small. So now what does it mean? Because of this, now Companies, so tomorrow as a company secretary you will have this job also, which is very good, because if you have more job, if you have more work, there will be more respect for you. So companies should identify who are their suppliers. So companies should see who are all the suppliers, then whether they fall under micro enterprise or small enterprise. Is it a micro enterprise? Is it a small enterprise? First they have to see. And if it falls under that, then they have to make sure that they have to pay within 45 days. If they can't pay within 45 days, it's okay. They have to submit half yearly returns to the ROC about the status of their payment and also why is the delay there. So this is, I'm telling you again, they have to first identify. This is the real job where the job of the company secretary will also be involved. So now we must take a certification, we should take a declaration from every supplier whether they fall under micro or small enterprise, and then we have to make sure we file the returns if the payment which we have to give them is beyond 45 days. For more such updates, please subscribe to Excel Academy, your one-stop solution for the CS course.